Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you step-by-step how to connect your Hisense TV to a Wi-Fi network. This process is simple and works on most Hisense Smart TVs, and you only need your remote control and your Wi-Fi password. To get started, turn on your TV and press the button with 3 horizontal lines on your remote control to open the main menu. Next, use the right arrow button until you find the wireless option, and then press OK. Using the left or right arrow buttons, change the connection type and make sure it is set to wireless. This is important because it tells the TV that you want to connect using Wi-Fi and not a wired connection. After that, press the down arrow button to move to the refresh option. Press OK to refresh and load the list of available Wi-Fi networks nearby. When the list appears, look for your Wi-Fi network name. Use the up and down arrow buttons to select your network, then press OK. You will now be asked to enter your Wi-Fi password. Use the arrow buttons on the remote to enter the password carefully, making sure there are no mistakes. After entering the password, press the up arrow button to highlight the Connect button and press OK. The TV will now attempt to connect to the Wi-Fi network. This may take a few seconds, so just wait until the process is complete. Once the connection is successful, your Hisense TV will be connected to the internet. This allows you to use streaming apps, software updates, and online features. If the connection fails, double-check your password and try refreshing the network list again. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more simple and useful tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.